Alright, yo, what's going on? We back with another video. It's your boy Joey Z, and I'm in the Z right now. If you guys can see, I'm in the Z with my girl right now, but I'm parked up at the Wawa. As y'all know, y'all probably already seen the flyer going around. There's a little race night going down tonight. Turn this on, better light. Alright, so there's a race night going on tonight, and unfortunately, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any races in tonight just because my car right now was, well, actually the other day I was driving and I felt like it felt laggy, like to put it in, yeah, laggy, I guess I could say that. And right, you felt it when we did a pull. Like I was flooring it and it hesitated, like it wanted to go but it didn't want to go. Like it was weird. Then it picks up. So I ended up contacting the tuner, and they had told me this the day they tuned my car as well, that eventually I'm gonna need coil packs. So I might send it. I might get like 1 or 2 races in. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe. We'll see how the night goes. But yeah, so right now my car's not running the way it should just because I need coil packs. But I already ordered the high energy ones, some really good ones actually, that's rated for more power for my car off of Z1 Motorsports. But they won't be here till sometime next week. They didn't give me an exact ship date yet, but they got shipped out. So yeah, we vlogging with the G7X tonight, man. I hope y'all enjoying the new quality of the videos. The shit's only gonna get better, man. But let me show y'all. Yeah, I'm parked up at the Wawa right now, just chilling here, just to get a quick video, because I did like a pull, 2 pulls, I guess you could say, up and down the strip up here on Lehigh Street at the Wawa, just to see how my car was gonna feel before I got to the promenades, because that's where everybody's meeting up at. They're just, oh shit, bust my ass. Meeting up at the promenades, but we're going to Mexico for all the snitches watching. But yeah, ooh, that baby's hot. She's hot. The camera quality is amazing, man. And like I said, I still haven't got to be able to figure out the best way to use the settings on here to make it look the greatest. But the camera quality is still amazing, man. It's still A1. But yeah, like I said, I'm probably gonna head out to the promenades now, meeting up with my pops and a couple other people. We're gonna head right over there. But I don't know if I'm gonna get any races in just because of that situation I just told y'all about. Hopefully the car, maybe it gives me a good run, maybe it won't. I don't know, man. You win some, you lose some, but it just sucks that the car's not where it should be. But yeah, man, I'm gonna pick the camera up when we get to promenade, show you guys what car is there, because there's gonna be some fast guys there tonight, I guess. There's supposed to be some fast dudes there. But yeah, man, let's see how the night goes. Let's get it. So all the fast guys pulled up, man. All the fast guys pulled up. Got this G37, clean. My boy Figgy, the Camaro with his drag pack. Damn, that shit looks clean. The puppy, bro. Boy, Carlos, this shit is clean, boy. Clean. Sneaky. Boosted. Another boosted Civic. It's my boy Bebe. Y'all know both of these cars. Y'all should already know both of these cars, man. I'm just fastest Civics in the valley right now. Michael over here in the car. I'm pretty sure y'all know this car. This car went viral on Instagram for beating a Viper. Clean, clean. We got all the fast guys out tonight, bro. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Yo, it's looking like it's about to be a litty night, man. I hope my car treats me right. Yes, sir. My boy Ty in the cut. Yeah, Ty, that's the owner of the Camaro right here. But yes, sir. Like I said, it's gonna be a litty night. We didn't even get to the spot yet. This is just here at the Wawa gas station. Everyone just pulled up unexpectedly. And you already know this car. Here. Yes, sir. More fast guys here. We got my dad just pulled up in the 335. It's finally running right. This clean Type R right here. Clean. The underglow. Clean. Got my dad's Beamer looking right. Damn, the fast guys is outside. The fast guys is outside. Look at these guys. Yo, let's get it though. I think it's gonna be a litty night, you heard? It's gonna be a litty night.
met my son, right? This is Tommy. Hey there.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Oh, not the socks.
Damn, the chanclas.
The chancletas.
How you driving with that? Don't you feel comfortable?
Nah, these are my gear banks.
Why you are not ready?
Yes, sir. We rolling out. We rolling out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Driving it, Mikey.
His Civic's over there too, though. Let's get it. We're getting all the angles tonight, you heard? You see it? You see it, look it. You know what I mean? Yo, we got the fast guys out tonight. Like I just walked around and showed y'all the cars. Those are probably the fastest Civics in the valley right now, bro. I mean, I can't talk with this shit on my head. Hold on. Like a fucking retard, but I got the GoPro just in case I get some runs in. Like I said, y'all know the situation that's going down with the Z. I ordered the coil packs already. They'll be here next week, but it's looking like it's gonna be a litty night, man. I'm gonna get a walk around of the cars that's pulling up because there's some fast cars pulling up tonight. There's gonna be a lot more fast cars. Like, she just got to the promenades. My dumbass is wearing shorts. My legs are cold. My legs are cold, man. I thought Nino was here. Well, you know, we're gonna stay right here or walk around. I'm about to get a walk around of the cars real quick. But yeah, we got a lot of fast cars here right now, bro. Got the Z, another Type R, another Beamer. It's good, bro. Chilling, bro. How you doing? G37. This John's clean. Let me change the exposure a little bit. This is clean. This Corvette sounds crazy, bro. Yo, my boy Z looks right, bro. All the carbon. Sheesh. He looks good. AMG. This G8 right here is fucking nasty, bro. I got him on Instagram. If I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on this because I don't know exactly how much power he makes. But I heard around like 800-ish. But this thing is just wicked, bro. Clean car, bro. Super clean. What is this? Rs3? Rs3, I think that's a Gt500 right there. Yeah, it is Gt500. Damn. We got some killers out here. Who are you gonna race tonight? Huh? Yeah, I don't do none of the racing she does, guys. Nah, I'm just kidding. What? I'm just kidding. We don't even race.
I have to switch that bitch up real quick.
Yeah, BRZ with a front mount looks like sneaking out.
You got the Gt500?
Damn.
What else? So you got the Gt500?
Boosted. Sleeper, bro.
You got a problem?
Yeah.
Yo, why?
Let's see the Infinity. Yeah, I already know about the Civics. There's some more cars pulling up. Damn. Sheesh.
Nigga, that snitch. I ain't been no.
out to everybody that sent in their videos of them getting some races in that night. Unfortunately, as y'all heard in the video, the Z wasn't running the way it should, so I didn't really get no races in. I didn't really want to push the car, you know, mess it up even more than what it was at the time, even though it was just coil packs. Now the car is running great, it's perfectly fine, so hopefully we can set up another night of getting some races in with the cars, you know what I mean? Set up another race night or something. But yeah, like I said, appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get the Instagrams of everyone that sent me the videos of them racing and put it in the description so you guys can check it out, you know what I mean, and go through their page, see what they got going on. But yeah, man, shout out to y'all, man, for the last video hitting 1.3 thousand views. That's what's up, man. That's love, man. It's a start. You know what I mean? It's only up from here. But yeah, like I said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. More content coming, more better quality. And this year we're gonna see what we get into, man. Let's get it.
When you open up, I'm so A-Town when I say that I ain't meaning Atlanta. From the city, you know limits, killers, dealers, and scammers. Y'all be rapping about them guns, my guys in chains for the hammers. Just make sure you do your thing and stay away from the cameras.